Hi, I'm Nicholas Martin. I'm from Signature Clinic. I represent the BDMs for the London and South West. Loving my job, live here in Signature Clinic, and here I am today with my blepharoplasty procedure. I'm having an upper and lower blepharoplasty procedure. I think it's a very good procedure, especially it's not just an aesthetic, to enhance my aesthetic look, but also functional, because it's going to take away the hooding from the eyes and the tiredness from underneath. Seeing many people around me, seeing that the procedure is a great success, so many happy people doing the job, and it just gave me the ulterior push to go and have it done myself. Hopefully with bigger smiles, brighter smiles, and being able to appreciate not only a new look but a new vision. Absolutely excited, privileged to be in not only the best clinic but with the best surgeons. Can't wait, seeing the results of so many others, and hope can do the same for me.